Hi, this is Mona Did What? Today's Christmas in July collab. I'm going to make some ornaments with Scrabble pieces and ribbon and a glue gun. So let's get this started. I'm going to dump out some Scrabble pieces and find the letters I need. I found the letters I needed to make my ornament. Now I'm going to cut the ribbon to the size I think I need. I'm using my pets' names for the ornaments. I'm just cutting the ribbon to the size I want. There's no size required, you just make it how you want to. I've cut the ribbon at a diagonal to make like a V at the bottom. Now I'm just going to burn both ends of the ribbon to keep it from fraying. You could also use fray check for this. Now I'm going to fold the top of the ribbon in the back to make a loop. You can do this with hot glue, but be careful because I burnt my finger really bad, or you can just stitch it across. I glued one and the other two I sewed because I wasn't burning my finger again. Now I'm going to take the Scrabble tiles and hot glue them on the ribbon. Be careful. It's much easier just putting the glue on the ribbon and then putting the tiles on. Now I'm just going to cut the ribbon and glue on the other tiles for the other two pets' names, but I'll do that off camera. I have all the ribbons done. Now I'm going to make a little bow for on top of Goober's ribbon. I just make that loop and then I gather the ribbon and squish it together. Normally I just tie it around with a little tiny rubber band, like for braces or the hair, or you can take a needle and thread and sew it or hot glue. I couldn't find my daughter's little hairband, so I had to sew mine. Now that I've sewed my ribbon, I'm going to put a couple stitches to put it on the ribbon and then hot glue it. The sewing on is just optional. Now I'm just adding a dab of hot glue to secure it. Now I'm just going to tie some twine through the loop in a knot. Now just cut off the excess pieces and then slide the knot into the loop to hide it, and it's finished. Thanks for watching.